Have you ever seen someone's hair suddenly stand on end? It might seem funny or bizarre at first, but it could be a warning of a life-threatening situation. Here's why in one scenario, a girl's hair stands straight up as if pulled by an invisible force. At first, she smiles, seemingly amused, but her expression quickly shifts to panic. She runs to her car, urgently seeking shelter. Meanwhile, others nearby experience the same phenomenon here standing upright, but they remain oblivious to the danger, laughing and chatting as though nothing is wrong. This occurrence signals a buildup of static electricity in the atmosphere, often preceding a lightning strike. When a thunderstorm brews, the air becomes electrically charged, creating a strong imbalance between the positive charges in the atmosphere and the negative charges on the ground. Your body being part of the ground's electric field can act as a conduit. A
Most
real-life
terrifying
example,
lightning
in the
strike
early
caught on
20th
camera.
century, the Michael brothers captured a now famous photograph while climbing clouds formed and their hair began to stand on end. Fascinated, they took a picture unaware it was recorded. Tragically, that moment turned out to be their last. Lightning struck shortly after. Find yourself in a similar situation. 1. Take immediate shelter if near a car. Get inside, close the windows, and avoid touching metal parts. 2. Find lower ground. Avoid open fields, water, and tall objects like trees. 3. Minimize your profile. If no shelter is nearby, crouch down with your head tucked into your knees, making yourself as small as possible. Do not lie flat on the ground. Recognize the sun acting swiftly can make the difference between life and death during a thunderstorm. Stay safe.